Welcome. Making sure you're in a comfortable position. You can use a chair or a cushion. But let's get your spine upright, but also at the same time relaxed. If you can, let your hands rest gently onto your lap or your knees. And just close your eyes softly. Let's take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply in through the nose and slowly out through your mouth like you're blowing through a straw. And with each breath, allow your body to begin to settle into stillness. And gently bring in your attention to the natural flow of your breath. Don't try to control it, just observe it. Can you notice the air entering your nostrils? And leaving your nostrils or your mouth? Can you notice the rise and fall of your chest or your abdomen? Can you feel the sensation of the breath leaving your body? And just observe your breath coming and going for the next minute or so. Now gently shift your awareness from your breath to your body, starting at the top of your head. And let's begin to scan your body part by part, noticing any sensations, whether they're warm or cool, whether you feel any tension or tightness, tingling. So moving your attention, your awareness down to your forehead. Being aware of what you can feel. The sockets in your eyes. Your cheekbones. The back of your head. Around to your jaw, which you can loosen, maybe unclench, letting it drop as your awareness moves down to your neck, being aware of what you feel, around your left shoulder, your right shoulder, being aware of both shoulders now, all the way down your left arm to your fingers, your right arm, all the way down to your fingers. Being aware of your chest. All the way down to your stomach. Just being aware of any sensations, without judgment, just observing. Your awareness moving down your spine, to your hips, all the way down your left leg, to your left foot, your right leg, all the way down to your right foot. And as you scan, just be curious, noticing any areas of tension or tightness. And with awareness, don't try to change them, but just observe, knowing that anything you're experiencing is simply temporary. Everything we experience just comes and goes. And as you continue to scan, being aware of your body, you may notice various thoughts, feelings or emotions arising. And when this happens, gently acknowledge them without getting attached. Recognizing that they are also, just like physical sensations, temporary. Allow anything you're experiencing to just pass through your awareness without engaging. And if you find yourself getting caught up in a thought, bring your attention back to the breath and just continue observing. And just refocusing your attention back on the breath, continuing to observe the flow of air in and out of your body. Be present with your breath and notice how it can ground you in the here and now, in this very moment. Feel the calm and stillness that's always available to you and that is here with you right here and now. And we're coming to the end of this meditation. And just can you give yourself a wonderful inner smile and take a moment to thank yourself for this time of awareness and stillness that you have given yourself. And then when you're ready, slowly bring your attention back to your surroundings. Just begin to move your body, wiggle your fingers and your toes, and open your eyes. Just reorientating yourself with your surroundings. And then when you're ready, will you carry this sense of calm, peace and presence with you as you move into the rest of your day?